Doctors don't have the time to help patients build a healthy lifestyle. Thus, the general health of the population of the world is diminishing.
There is a great need for natural health advisors, medical missionaries, health coaches, and herbalists.
Do you see such a need in the Caribbean? Well, you need a program tailored for the unique opportunities and challenges that are present in our region.
At Riversdale, we use your resources, your herbs, your cuisine and culture, and simple methods to build a program just for you.